Hi, I'm Ken Murray from the Association of Expert Mortgage Advisors, and thanks for taking the time to watch this short presentation, which we hope will give you some valuable information that will help you to position your application in a way that enables us to get you a mortgage approval best suited to your specific needs. What we will do is to take you through a process from the initial assessment right through to completing your purchase and getting the keys to your new dream home. At the initial appointment, we will complete a full analysis of your personal financial position in order to assess whether we are in a position to apply for you now or to put a plan in place over a specific time frame that will ensure a positive outcome when your application is submitted. During the initial assessment, we ascertain if you are meeting the 5 key components to get approval, and they are: are you in full-time permanent employment? Have you a strong saving record for a minimum of 6 months? Is there evidence of rental payments? Are you demonstrating good current account maintenance? For example, your account is in credit, it doesn't go into overdraft, and there are no referral charges. Finally, have you sufficient contribution to cover your deposit? The average requirement is 10% of the purchase price. Once we are happy you are ready to apply, we will give you a full mortgage pack specific to your needs with a checklist of items required. This moves us on to the next stage in the process, application lodgement. With one mortgage application form and one set of supporting financial documents, we can then apply to a number of lenders. The turnaround time for a decision will vary from bank to bank, ranging from 5 to 10 working days for a full approval in principle. Now that you are approved, you will know how much you can borrow, and together with your savings, you can establish exactly what price range you can buy in. The expiry date on the approvals again vary from bank to bank and range from 2 to 6 months, but your AEMA advisor will keep you up to date on your approvals at all stages. Now you can start your property search in earnest. And when you find your dream home, you submit a bid with the estate agent. Once your offer is accepted, the property will become sale agreed and we will move on to the next stage in the process. With your bid accepted, you pay a refundable booking deposit to the estate agent and appoint a solicitor to act on your behalf. Your AEMA advisor will then meet you again to make a decision on what lender, rate and product best suits your requirements. Having made this decision as to what lender you want to proceed with, the bank will then instruct a valuer to carry out a valuation report on your property to ensure the price you are paying is reflective of the current market. Your AEMA advisor will then discuss the appropriate life and house insurance requirements that will be a condition of the loan offer, with a view to having them accepted and ready to issue before you enter into a legally binding contract. We would also recommend that you obtain the services of a fully qualified chartered surveyor or engineer in order to obtain a structural survey on the property. This is a separate report from the bank valuation, and although not a legal requirement, we would highly recommend you get this done. Your AEMA advisor will process the application to loan offer with your selected lender with a view to getting the formal loan offer and legal pack produced and sent to your solicitor. At this stage, you are now loan approved, your insurances have been accepted and you are satisfied with the structural survey report on the property. You will sign your contracts and pay the balance of the deposit, which is 10% of the purchase price. You are now entering into a legally binding agreement to commit to purchase this property. Once you sign your contract, your deposit is now non-refundable and you are legally obliged to complete this purchase. However, as you can see from the process outlined to date, everything has been completed to ensure you have done all the necessary research and checks, and that allows you to have peace of mind when signing your contract. Once you have signed your contract, your solicitor will agree a closing date with the vendor solicitor. This date will give you the date when you can get your keys and move into your new dream home. The final step is the closing process. As part of this process, your AEMA advisor will liaise with you, the bank, your solicitor, the life insurance company, the house insurance company, and any other interested party to make sure all conditions on your loan offer are met in time so that your mortgage check issues and you can move into your home. Now you've moved into your dream home, it is very important to remember that your AEMA advisor will be your financial advisor for life. We will be there to answer any queries you may have in the future on your mortgage, life cover or house insurance. All AEMA advisors take great pride in the service they provide for their customers. Our aim is to make sure the process is as enjoyable and stress-free as it should be. We never forget that throughout this process you are simply looking to buy your new home. So if you feel you're ready to embark on this process, why not click on the Find a Broker link on our website and speak to a broker near you who would be happy to help you in any way we can. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video, and happy house hunting.